If you want to use Video Toolbox on Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, first of all, we need to make sure that Video Toolbox is enabled. So we're gonna go ahead and open Settings. Next over here, we need to scroll down to Additional Settings. And then in Additional Settings, we want to look for floating windows. In here, we can find Site Toolbox, which we need to go to. And over here, we need to make sure that Video Toolbox is enabled. By default, it is off, so you want to turn it on. Now, after that, you can open any video. So let's say I'm gonna go to YouTube over here. And in this place, we should be able to find the sidebar, of course. And there we go, we have the Video Toolbox. It should also be available even if you open the full screen. As you can see, we still have the record, screenshot, and cast option, and also we can go to style in order to, for example, choose a vibrant color palette or HDR, and so on and so forth. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.